now we will talk about the traditional, now we'll talk about the cultural change. Okay. In order to understand social change in Indian society, the concept of cultural change assumes much more importance. So what they are saying that Indian society, we give lot of importance to our culture, we give lot of importance to our traditions, and because of that, whenever we are studying change, we do also see culture in that case, because we do give lot of importance to culture. There have been variety of cultural changes that have occurred in traditional Indian society under the influence of these factors. So now what they have said, that there are many changes that have occurred in our Indian society because of culture. Okay, and we all know that, first earlier sending girls to school was not allowed, but nowadays we do send girls to school and let them get educated. Okay. Now, meaning and definition of cultural change. The concept of cultural change has vast meaning. It includes all those integrated in cultures such as art, science, machinery, philosophy, logic, language, literature, and also changes occurring in the forms of structure and functions of social organization. Now they have said that the meaning of culture is very, very big. Okay, why? Because it consists of integrated in a mix. So what all things are included in culture? It includes art, science, machinery, philosophy, language, literature. Okay, all these things are included in culture, and that is why the meaning of culture is very, very big. Okay, and any changes that happen in culture, okay, automatically what happens is your social structure changes, the way the society is changes, the various changes in the institutions like family, marriage, religion also occurs. The changes that occur in material and non-material aspects of culture are known as cultural changes. So material એટલે એવી વસ્તુ જે તમે જોઈ શકો, ફીલ કરી શકો, અને નોન મટીરિયલ મીનિંગ એવી વસ્તુ જે તમે જોઈ ન શકો, ફીલ ન કરી શકો, પણ it is there. So any changes in the material or non-material aspect એટલે part of the culture is known as cultural changes. Material aspects includes furniture, machine, houses, etc. Pakka modern houses in place of kacha houses, or use of cell phone in the place of landline phone are the example occurring in the change of material aspects. Now what have they said? I told you, material aspect is something which you can see, you can feel, you can touch. Okay, so what all things are included in material aspect? Furniture, okay, machines, houses, etc. So what they have said, that earlier when we used to build houses, we used to build kacha houses that were made from cow dung, mud and all those things. But nowadays we are building modern houses with cement. Earlier we used to have landline phones, but now we have cell phones. Non-material aspect of culture contains painting, art, dance, knowledge, language, etc. So what is your non-material aspect? It includes art of dance, painting, okay, it includes singing, knowledge, language. You can't see it, but it is there, right? Modern paintings are used in English in writing. Speaking are example of changes in non-material aspects. So nowadays we are using modern paintings, we are using English language more often. All these changes are occurring because of cultural changes. Culture changes as blend of the elements of old and new culture, which is mainly caused by invention and diffusion. So what have they said? That culture does not mean everything, cultural change does not mean everything is new. Culture change also includes old things and it also includes new things. So it is invention of new things. Invention એટલે કઈ વસ્તુ discover થઈ હોય, ઈ વસ્તુ diffusion meaning mixed. So old and new is mixed together in order to form a cultural change. Okay. When elements of one culture are added to another culture or social structure, it becomes a new culture for the latter. So what they are saying કે obviously પહેલા ઇન્ડિયામાં આપણે લોકો ખાલી સાડી પહેરતા, right? પછી જ્યારે બ્રિટિશર્સ આવ્યા ત્યારે we were introduced to jeans, t-shirts and all those things. So what happened was कि their culture got mixed with Indian culture and a whole new culture was formed, wherein you saw people wearing Indo-Western. Okay, that is like they also they wore jeans also and they wore kurta also. So that is what is invention and diffusion. You mix both the things. You mix the old thing also and the new thing that was invented, and a new culture is formed. For example, in India, as the constitution has accepted the principle of democracy in the place of imperialism, the former has spread and become to strengthen the country. Okay. So what have they said? Ki earlier in India we had Britishers ruling over us, right? As when the Britishers went away, imperialism is Britishers, okay? So earlier Britishers were ruling over India and had made India its colony. But when Britishers went away, we had democracy. Democracy is what? We started voting for people, okay? Wherein we chose our own government through the process of votes. The former has spread and has become to strengthen our country, meaning the fact that we give so much importance to democracy, it has spread on a very, very wide scale, and it has become very, very important in Indian society. That is why we give lot of importance to democracy. Thus, cultural changes contains changes that occurs in different elements of culture, and also changes that happens in the form of structure, functions of the social organization, etc. So what are they saying? That cultural changes is any change that happens in any elements or any parts of the culture. It can be language, it can be dance, it can be music, it can be anything. Okay, so changes that occur, okay, it can be either in the types of culture માં changes થાય, કે કદાચ social structure માં change થતો હોય, કે કદાચ એના functions માં બી changes આવતો હોય, તો બી it is included in cultural change. The concept of cultural change is wider than the concept of social change. Cultural change is very, very big compared to social change, as all social changes can be termed as cultural change. Okay. Now they are saying that all the changes that occur in society are included in cultural change. That is why cultural change is very, very big. For example, changes in value. Okay, earlier જે વેલ્યુઝ આપણને મળતી હતી, આપણા પેરેન્ટ્સે જે આપણા પેરેન્ટ્સ પાસે જે વેલ્યુઝ છે, જે આપણા ગ્રેન્ડ પેરેન્ટ્સે આપી છે, એ વેલ્યુઝ આપણા પેરેન્ટ્સે કદાચ અમુક આપી હશે ને અમુક નહીં આપી હોય. ઓકે, સો વેલ્યુઝ were different પહેલા અને વેલ્યુઝ આર ડિફરન્ટ નાઉ. So all these changes are included in culture, and social change is also included in your cultural change. According to McLever and Page, cultural changes includes changes in religion, literature, art, etc., and are less dynamic. Okay, so they have said that what is cultural change? Any change that happens in religion, literature, art, okay, and are less dynamic. Dynamic એટલે બહુ વધારે પડતું change નહીં, થોડુંક જ તે. Okay, changes do not occur as speedily in art, science, literature, tradition, religion, philosophy, etc., as they occur in social relations. So what did he say? Okay, literature, art, songs, language, traditions, આ બધી philosophy, આ બધી વસ્તુમાં changes થાય, પણ changes at a very slow pace. Okay, while changes that happen in social relations is this, the relation I have with my parents, relation I have with my teachers, with school, with politics, with government, આ બધી વસ્તુમાં જે change થતો હોય, it's at a very, very greater speed, it's at a very high speed. For example, changes in relations between parents and children. Okay. Next, they have said is social and cultural changes influence each other. Both of them have impact on the society. So what have they say? They said that social and society માં કાંઈ બી change થતો હોય તો culture માં change થાય. Culture માં જો કાંઈ બી change થતો હોય તો society માં change થાય. So they both are dependent on each other. Okay, and they both of them, social change and cultural change, have a big impact on the society, because when both of them changes, your society also changes. For example, changes in group life relations affect cultural elements, values, beliefs, etc. So what happens once you start living a group life? Okay, let's say you have a friend circle with whom you are staying, right? So when you stay with them, when you interact with them, automatically your values, your traditions, your views, everything changes, because whatever your friend thinks, you will also start thinking the same thing. Same thing happens in the class. If I come in the class and if I say, Modi is bad, Modi is this, Modi is that, then automatically your mind will be what? Modi is bad. Why? Because you have my influence on you. Similarly, changed cultural atmosphere affects social life. Whenever any changes happen in the culture, your social life, the way you interact with people, all those things also starts changing. thus they affect each other. Okay, एक वस्तु बीजा वस्तु ने लीड करे. Social and cultural changes leads to changes in society. Social change leads to cultural change. Cultural change leads to social change. For example, cultural change has caused changes in rural life. So what have happened is કે ધીરે ધીરે મોડર્ન વસ્તુ આપણા વિલેજીસમાં જવા માંડી છે. સો એ લોકોનું કલ્ચર બી ધીરે ધીરે ચેન્જ થઈ રહ્યું છે. They all don't wear saris and ઘાઘરા ચોલી and roam around. If you go to a village right now, you will find young children wearing skirts and frocks and t-shirts and jeans and everything else. Okay. Sometimes changes happen in cultural system without causing any change in social system. So what they have said is that sometimes culture changes happen and it will not change the social system or way the society is functioning. For example, pronunciation or sound related to changes in language. For example, what they have said कि कोकवार તમે જે અમુક વર્ડ્સ જે તમે પ્રનાઉન્સ કરો, ઓકે, અને અમુક વર્ડ્સ તમે કેવી રીતના બોલો. ઓકે, ઓબ્વિયસલી ગુજરાતમાં આપણે જુઓ કે સર્ટન વર્ડ્સ છે ઓર સર્ટન લેંગ્વેજ છે, તો ભાવનગરની લેંગ્વેજ ઇઝ ડિફરન્ટ દેન રાજકોટની લેંગ્વેજ એન્ડ ભાવનગરની લેંગ્વેજ ઇઝ ડિફરન્ટ ફ્રોમ અમદાવાદી ગુજરાતી. તો આ બધી વસ્તુ જે લેંગ્વેજમાં ચેન્જ થાય છે, ઇટ ડઝ નોટ લીડ ટુ ચેન્જ ઇન સોસાયટી, રાઈટ? ઓકે, યોર સોસાયટી ઇઝ નોટ ગોઈંગ ટુ ચેન્જ બીકોઝ ઓફ દેટ. Such changes do not have a remarkable impact on society. So such things do not lead to changes in society. The fact how you say certain things and how same thing the person from Ahmedabad says, it will sound different. Okay, why? Because the Gujarati is different, but that does not mean that the cultural changes happen. However, sociology is interested in such cultural changes which emerge from social organization and which affect the same. So however, in sociology we give lot of importance to those changes that causes big amount of change in the society. Okay, it becomes difficult to decide whether given change in social or culture are very thin line of demarcation between them. So what they are saying कि जो changes society में थाता होय because of social life and because of cultural life, there is a very small difference between them. Next we are going to do is features of cultural change. Okay, changes in any part of the element of culture is known as cultural change. For example, use of power loom in place of hand loom. So what have they said कि any point of time, any change in culture leads to cultural change. Any part, कोई भी part में change થાય culture ना, that is included in cultural change. For example, use of power loom. Power loom એટલે જ્યારે આપણે લોકો કોટનના ટી શર્ટ અને કોટનના કુર્તા બનાવતા હોય ત્યારે જે મશીન યુઝ થાય એને પાવર લૂમ કહેવાય. વાય? બિકોઝ ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટીથી એ મશીન ચાલતી હોય છે. ઓકે, સો નાવડેઝ આપણે એ પાવર લૂમ યુઝ કરીએ છીએ, એવા મશીન યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. અને જૂના જમાનામાં લોકો હાથથી સીવતા અને ઓલા ગાંધીજી ઓલું ચરખા લઈને કરતા, રાઈટ? સો nowadays people are using power loom instead of handicraft loom. Okay, changes in material and means. Changes in material and means developed by society for fulfilling its needs, such as machines, vehicles, building, books, vessels, furniture, etc., is all known as cultural change. For example, use of sofa for sitting or dining, table for eating. So changes in materialistic things. Materialistic things meaning things which you can see. So any changes in vehicles, in books, in buildings, in furniture, okay, in machine, all these things are included in your cultural change. For example, earlier we used to sit on floor and eat the food, but nowadays we sit on sofa or we sit on dining table to eat food. Okay. Third, in culture is normative system of society. Normative એટલે normal. In order to maintain the system of social relations, society formulates certain norms, okay, which are the part of culture. Normative means rules. So what they have said that in order to maintain balance in the society, in order to maintain balance in everything, in order to maintain balance in social relations, okay, norms are very important, rules and regulations are very important. That is why we are told not talk to your elders politely, respect them, okay, touch their feet. All these are the rules and regulations which are there to maintain the balance in social relations, which is a part of culture. Change in this normative system is also termed as cultural change. So any changes in rules and regulation is also included as cultural change. For example, change in the marriage related laws, Okay, so changes have occurred in the related to marriage laws. Okay, laws providing rights to women, obviously we did it in earlier chapters. There are laws that provides right to women. Okay, and changes in regime form of imperialism to democracy. So earlier we had Britishers ruling over us, but now we have democracy wherein we vote for our government. So all these changes are included in cultural change. Okay.